Gigi here again. Let's talk about skincare and healthy eating. Foods rich in antioxidants like berries, spinach, and nuts help combat inflammation and promote healthy skin. Omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon and flax seeds support skin hydration, while vitamin-rich fruits and vegetables such as oranges, carrots, and sweet potatoes contribute to a radiant complexion. Incorporating these nutritious foods into your diet can nourish teenage skin from the inside out, promoting a clear and glowing complexion. As they say, you are what you eat. Subscribe and like for more.